Hi, Milorad here. I am here just outside of my garage, ready to go. And I am actually going to see if I can find guanciale. Guanciale is a pork meat that comes from the under the jaw of the pork. And guanciale is used for many Italian dishes like amatriciana, carbonara, gricia, and maybe some other dishes that I cannot recall right now. And I'm going to the store that is called WinCo Foods, and that is a kind of very interesting store. They sell the regular supermarket grocery stuff, and the interesting thing is that it's owned by its employee. That's very uncommon in US capitalist system, but I hope they're doing good. The thing is, with WinCo Foods, you cannot pay with credit card. You can pay only with cash. I'm not sure about checks, but cash for sure. And probably reason for that is all grocery stores, they do not have big margin that can play with, and paying with credit cards will cost them 2, 3, or even more percent of the value of the sale, and that's probably all profit that they may have, and that's why they do not accept credit card. But that's okay, I have some cash, and let's go there and see if we can find guanciale. There we're coming in front of WinCo Foods. It's maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes drive from my house. And we just need to find the parking. Okay, now we are coming to deli meat, packaged and sliced if you want to. Let's see if we can find guanciale that I'm looking for. Okay. What is this? Bacon ends pieces. I think it's pretty good. The only problem is I don't like American bacon because it's usually cooked. It's not smoked and dry air. It's a cooked bacon and it's not good. Okay, let's see what else is here. Turkey necks, smoked turkey neck. Wow. Look at this. Guanciale. Wow, look at this. It's $4. It's $2.98 a pound. This is beautiful. Okay, one goes with me for sure. Well, I'm sure it's made in USA, but because US does not allow import of this kind of meats, yeah, they don't say where it's made. I will probably find out. I need to read. Yeah, Oregon, Pendleton, Oregon. Okay, double smoked. Maybe this piece is too big. No, I'll take it. Take it. Guanciale. 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 Or it's called pork jowl in English. Woo. Very, very happy. Found guanciale. WinCo Foods found guanciale.